What's up, Ring of Honor faithful? It's the K-I-N-G King, and I'm here to bring you my Throwback Thursday. When I think about some of the great times I've had in Ring of Honor, I think about the All Night Express. Kenny King and Rhett Titus, two young guns that was going for everybody, gunning for the moon, the stars, everything. When I was thinking about us hitting our stride and really proving ourselves as a championship caliber team, it brings me back to our match against the American Wolves. You had Davey Richards, Eddie Edwards, both former ROH World Champions, former ROH World Tag Team Champions. They had beaten everybody from the Briscoes to the Kings of Wrestling, everybody. And that night in St. Louis, ANX stepped up to the test, and we took a big swing at those Wolves.
This tag team match is your main event. This is a one wall with a 25-minute time limit. Introducing first to elect team number one, at a combined weight of 461 pounds, Rhett Titus and Kenny King, the All Night Express. Two opponents to our right. First, wrestling out of Boston, Massachusetts, weighing 211 pounds, Die Hard Eddie Edwards. His partner, originally wrestling out of Othello, Washington, now wrestling out of St. Louis, Missouri. Weighing 208 pounds, he is the Ring of Honor World Champion, Davey Richards.
A first-time ever collision. Two great tag teams. The All Night Express against the American Wolves.
Collision in Collinsville. Here at the Gateway Center.
Rich is, of course, the ROH World Champion, also one half of the IWGP Junior Tag Team Champions. Very rare feat for an athlete to be a world champion on two different continents. Titus and King, of course, have spent the better part of 2011 embroiled in a historic rivalry with the Briscoes that really put them on the map, while the American Wolves have spent the better part of this year singles action, but every time the Wolves get together, Dave, it's been very special.
It's always good to see them renew their tag team unit. Very successful. Both men have held the World Championship here in 2011. And the opening bell, Titus and Kenny King, that very violent feud with the Briscoes, has really made everyone realize how fantastic a tag team duo they are. Not just flashy maneuvers, but as fighters, how tough they are. The fact that they were able to win that ladder war against the Briscoes in New York City. Huge feather in the cap of the All Night Express. And that championship opportunity.
Well, it's King starting off with Edwards here. It's the All Night Express. Have a date with Wrestling's Greatest Tag Team, the world title opportunity coming up at Glory by Honor. And of course, Richards and Edwards will be battle for the ROH World title, scheduled to be at Final Battle.
But tonight they are tag team partners. And former world tag team champions. Some would say one of the best tag teams to ever work. Now it is Kenny King holding on to Grislock on Eddie Edwards.
One thing that we can definitely say is that one of the reasons why Die Hard Eddie Edwards became so great is because of the partnership, teamwork, the bond with Davey Richards. Nice arm drag there. One in response there from King. Some headlock takeover though. Head scissors. Great escapability from Kenny King.
Either man with a decided advantage right there on that exchange. Yeah, it was the American Wolves duo, which really helped Eddie Edwards develop into the wrestler that we see today. Brought him to that World Championship caliber athleticism that we now see. Learning just from being inside the ring as the partner of Davey Richards, and as opponents, they really brought out the best in one another as well.
Matchup between Richards and Edwards at best in the world, many say. Best wrestling match of 2011 so far. King escapes, just as Davey was tagged in, not allowing the Wolves to get a double team opportunity. Tags in Rhett Titus, so now Titus will square off with the world champion.
The height advantage for Rhett Titus here. Both men very strong athletes. Titus has come so far since the days of focusing more on the ladies at ringside than necessarily on his in-the-ring skills. Regained his focus. Worked very well for the All Night Express. Hard kick right to the shoulder by Davey Richards.
Richards went to the bridge and caught Titus looking, scored with the kick. The point we made earlier, Dave, about how the team of the American Wolves brought the best out of Eddie Edwards, helped him grow. The same could be said for the All Night Express, but it was their opponents in the Briscoes that made them grow, that made them better as a team, and elevated them to top contender status here for the World Tag Team titles.
Forced them to become much more serious during the course of their matches, because you can't showboat and parade around the ring in bow ties, handing out room keys when you're in the ring against two guys like Jay and Mark Briscoe who just want to fight you and inflict punishment. They had to be serious. They were tested, and they passed that test.
Davey went for the ankle lock there, and Titus quickly got to the bottom rope to force a break. Both Richards and Edwards will look to end things with a submission hold. We've recently seen Eddie Edwards adopt a Dragon Sleeper.
In addition to the Achilles lock as well.
Cover, shoulders were down, out of the overhand knuckle lock. Sinclair is right there, Richards' shoulders again, down for two.
His way out of that position as Richards kicks away one hand of the knuckle lock. Fireman's carrying out single leg takedown. Controlled legs, tying him up.
The instinct of Titus, the block of the fireman's carry, then led Richards to tie up the legs and
damage to the knees right there, driving them into the canvas, and a slap right across the face of the world champion. A slap in return. Hepburn starting to flare here.
Davey ducks one and is able to score with a combo.
Leapfrogs from Rhett and finally nails the knee strike, sending Richards down in the corner.
Hard chop, and now Richards trying to get away from Titus, finds himself in harm's way over in the corner of the All Night Express. Kenny King now tagged in, seizing upon this early opportunity here with Davey.
Trying to get to his corner. Kenny King grabbing hold of Richards though before he can get to Edwards, delivers the suplex, and now just pounding away.
Richards blocked those shots though. King and Richards, no strangers. They've met before in singles competition. Big Bang in April of 2010. Toronto as well in 2011. Rear chin lock now from Rhett Titus.
Trying to wear down Richards here. Referee right on top of things to make sure this doesn't turn into a choke. Fans encouraging Richards to fight his way out of this position. Back on his feet, forearm across the back though, as now the All Night Express looking to team up here on Richards. Send him to the ropes, he puts on the brakes.
Both members of the All Night Express hurtled out to the floor.
Combination of kicks from the Wolves, knocking them off the apron.
Teamwork here from the American Wolves as both soar and score.
I believe the hunt is on.
Driven by competition, driven by the fight, Davey Richards and Eddie Edwards became one of the best tag teams ever in Ring of Honor. And now each man's destiny seems centered around the ROH World Championship.
You know, they would love to take away the momentum of the All Night Express here in this matchup, hand them a loss, and prove that the Wolves are not only great singles wrestlers here in 2011, but they've still got what it takes to be one of the top tag teams in Ring of Honor as well. What a chop from Eddie Edwards.
A response from Titus, but I don't know if anybody throws him harder than Eddie Edwards does.
That one took him off his feet. It's the tag. Back in comes the world champion, Davey Richards. Teamwork from the Wolves. Double elbow. King saw that coming, hopped up off the apron before getting met with the kick from Richards.
One of the things the Wolves loves to do is to create distance, knock the tag partner off the apron to allow them to exert the double team advantage. And now, with the arm trapped and the legs tied up, Red Titus is in all kinds of trouble.
Extra torque on the hold right here. Assistance from his partner, but Kenny King in to break it up. Relieve his partner from further punishment in the hole, but hard kick from Richards to the chest.
Red Titus introduced to the barricade, now knocked down hard with a chop.
Edwards with Titus, sending him back inside.
Titus showing some toughness after absorbing what he did. Able to fight back.
Handspring enziguri right there from Richards.
Titus reaches up to make the tag, still too far away from Kenny.
Forearm shot on Kenny King. Referee making sure that he stays in his corner and out on the apron.
While all four men do adhere to the code of honor, none of them make any excuses about what they do once the bell sounds. Of course, at the end of the match, they'll shake hands once again with respect for Ring of Honor and for the sport of professional wrestling.
You need to do whatever it takes to pull up the win. All four men know that.
Great crowd here in Collinsville has seen a fantastic night of competition.
A whole lot of tag team wrestling tonight. Now all the way to the top rope goes Eddie Edwards. Dropped face first, snake eyes on the top turnbuckle. Titus needs to get to Kenny King and make the tag here.
Edwards glassy-eyed after the snake eyes. Titus makes the tag. Here comes Kenny King.
Kenny all fired up here. Reversal of the Irish whip though. Hands on his feet.
Boy, how athletic is Kenny King.
Nice combination.
Cover.
Beautiful standing moonsault.
King gets caught from Edwards coming in.
Catches him. Backbreaker over the knee.
Edwards kicks out again at 2.
Tag from the All Night Express. Rhett Titus, the legal man. Splash leg drop combination.
Now way over in the corner of the All Night Express, Eddie Edwards a long way from his partner Davey Richards.
He strikes from Titus. Right bench chop. Big knee drop to follow up.
Height on that one. So the All Knights have isolated Eddie Edwards. He's landed some nice combination moves, but as of yet have been unable to keep Die Hard down.
Turns him inside out with that clothesline. And Richards in to break it up.
Perhaps Davey sensing that his partner was getting weaker with each combination move that the All Knights were able to execute.
Getting weaker right here in this hole. And it takes away Eddie Edwards' energy. Kick his way free. And he does.
Keeping himself, though, between Edwards and Davey Richards. Getting combination there, but Edwards kicked out fairly strongly at 1.
Hard into the buckle, back first. Tumbles out of the corner after the impact.
Tense times for the American Wolves here in Collinsville. And now some of what we saw the Wolves attempt to do earlier on.
Additional leverage with a submission move.
Sinclair trying to get Edwards out of the trying to get Richards out of the ring.
Back turned out of position for that cover and finally in position to count with a 1 count.
The All Knights looking to have even more momentum as a team. What it would mean for them to gain a victory over the American Wolves. A title shot in their back pocket that they earned thanks to the victory in that ladder war over the Briscoes. That's coming up at Glory by Honor.
Trying to get to his corner, make that tag of the world champion, but very wisely, Rhett trying to pull him toward the corner of the All Night Express. German.
Raw power there displayed by Titus.
Did what was necessary to keep Edwards on their side of the ring.
2 count only.
More pressure put on that back. Right in the back while pulling up on the chin lock. Kenny King and Davey Richards in with a kick of his own.
Very solid strategy. King and Titus. Cover. The All Knights have found a way to weaken Eddie Edwards. Can they find a way to keep him down?
Continuing to assault Edwards in the corner here. Not giving him any time to catch his breath. Right in the midsection.
Now Kenny King with a little trash talking baited Davey Richards into the ring.
The All Night Express with some teamwork.
Out of the way is Edwards. Enziguri kick puts Titus down.
Kenny King right to his own partner in the corner. Can Edwards make the tag here?
And he does. From the top. stop.
Missile drop kick connects on both the All Night Express. Brutal kicks from Richards.
There's one for Titus.
Upside the head of Kenny King. Edwards plants him chest first. Richards to the top.
Double stop right across the back. Will this do it? No.
Richards fired up here. Looking to put Kenny King away. Full Nelson. Broken. That's the waist lock. Countered by King. Davey lands on his feet.
Beautiful kick there from King, but counter right into the ankle lock.
Caught the foot as he threw that kick. And momentum able to send Richards to the floor.
Come on, Davey.
Nobody home on the dive attempt and got chopped by Edwards.
Come on, Wolves. Oh, shoot.
Wiping out both American Wolves is Kenny King.
The All Night Express looking to maintain that momentum as they head for their title shot.
Watch out for Red Titus now.
Wipes them out himself, landing on his feet.
I've lost track as to who the legal men are right now.
Looks to be Kenny King and Davey Richards back inside the ring, going toe-to-toe with one another.
King hangs on and delivers a series of forearms. Alarm clock for Richards, countered by King.
The cradle suplex, cover.
But Richards kicks out.
Teamwork from the All Knights.
Double knees right to the midsection from the top rope.
Only two. Kenny King calling out to Titus for the double team. Getting Davey Richards in position.
Edwards, though, came across and was able to take King down off the apron.
Kick from Richards has Titus stunned.
Huge knockdown there from Kenny King. But watch out, Edwards flies in.
Titus plants Edwards face first. Saito suplex from Richards. Titus is back up.
Drop kick.
All four of these men giving it everything they have to pull home the victory.
This is your main event. Gateway of Honor. Kevin Kelly, Dave Prazak calling all the action. The American Wolves and the All Night Express.
Tag is made. Eddie Edwards, the legal man. worn down at this point in the contest. What a fight it has been thus far. All 4 men inside the ring now, just fighting it out. Huge kick from Kenny King.
Titus buries it into the midsection of Davey Richards.
Goes around the clothesline attempt into the crossarm breaker.
And the Achilles lock from Edwards.
Both of the Wolves cinching in signature submission holds here.
But neither member of the All Knight's willing to tap out. Both shoulders down.
2 near falls. Big kick from Kenny King, super kick from Edwards. King now with both of the Wolves. Going to town on both of them.
With the assist from Edwards. Richards, the alarm clock. Super kick, German. Roll through, 2. No!
That combination earned the Wolves so many victories during their World Tag Team title reign, but Kenny King kicks out. Powerbomb love blower combination. Only 2, Achilles lock.
Titus came in to try to break it up. Richards cut him off at the pass. A collision.
Edwards grabbing hold of Titus. Richards drop kicking King to the floor. More double team strategy from the American Wolves now. They have Titus elevated on the shoulders of Kenny Edwards. Davey to the top.
Watch out though for Kenny King.
Shotgun knees.
As Edwards went back into the corner, his momentum sent Richards flying all the way to the floor.
Blockbuster off the top. Cover.
No!
The All Knights looking to finish him off.
Frog splash from Titus. Got him!
A big victory for the All Night Express against the former World Tag Team Champions, keeping their momentum alive as they head into Glory by Honor 10 and that world title opportunity.
King and Titus continue to prove the doubters. Proving them wrong. The All Night Express score victory over the American Wolves.